Hey everyone, welcome to another video. If your iPhone screen stays on even when it should turn off, follow these steps to fix it. First of all, open the settings of your phone, go to display and brightness option. From there, look for always on display option. If it's enabled, turn it off. From there, next check raise to work. From there, turn this off as well. Finally, adjust auto lock to 30 seconds like this. If the issue persists, try a forced restart. For this, press and release the volume up button and down button, and press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Make sure not to touch the screen during this process. This refreshes the system and can fix any software issue. Once your iPhone restarts, check your display settings again to ensure they are correct. These steps should help fix your screen staying on when idle. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.